Outfit check. Dati parang ang nipis ng jacket mo. Sabi oh. Yan, ganyan kataas. Tapos, ang labas namin. Wow! Ah, grabe ang snow. Yeah, and then you open. Wow! See? Look at the snow.
For you, Daddy, it's the I go.
So yan, ito yung aming tatrabahuhin today. Sobrang kapal ng snow. Ganyan. Grabe oh, look kung gaano kataas. Wow! See? Konti na lang, matatakpan na yung ano natin. Tawag dito, ito. Deck. Ready! Ay, ako nag-ready niyan. Yun yung nandun sa tabi.
Daddy, be careful there. Did you have your long boots?
Outfit check. Dati parang ang nipis ng jacket mo. Tapos wala ka sa ulo. Ako naman, I'm gonna change clothes. Hindi ko alam kung nag-record kanina. If hindi nag-record, so we're gonna remove the snow from our deck. So we have to get jacket. Nalobat guys, so I changed the battery, so that should be okay. Gloves. You stay here, ha? Buti na open mo di. Grabe oh. Yan, ganyan kataas. Tapos, ang labas namin. Wow! Ah, grabe ang snow. Grabe. Ang taas. Oh. Paano yun di? Pag nalagyan yung ano, okay lang? And ayun, nagpala na kaming dalawa dyan. And hindi ko matandaan kung gaano kami katagal na nasa labas. Hindi ko sure kung inabot kami ng 1 oras or 30 minutes lang kami dyan. Yeah, that's better. You show them, Kuya. You show them. This? No. Close. Like that. Yeah, and then you open. Wow! And then you put your name and then you show it to Masi later. Okay. Jaden's turn. Oh, yours is upstairs. Yeah, your surprise. Your surprise doing is upstairs. Yeah. Ayan. Nalobat ng aking camera. And tapos na kami ng daddy. So it's done. And that's the swimming pool outside. Swimming pool ng snow. So cold! Si Kuya naka-jacket kasi nilalamig kanina. Nice, Kuya! You wanna try again later, okay? Show it to Masi later, okay? Jaden, let's remove your jacket now. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.